Calculate the gradient of the coordinate points A 1, 2 and B 4, 8. Now, before we do this, I need to tell you what the formula for calculating gradients is. Now, gradients equals to, remember I told you that it's rise over run. Now, rise is actually the y-axis because it's like up, so the y-axis. So we have y2 minus y1 over run x2 minus x1. This here is the formula for calculating gradients. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, having said this, let's calculate the gradient of these points. Now, the first thing you want to do is to label the coordinate points x and y. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So our solution, gradient equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, gradient equals to, what is y2? y2 is 8. So I put 8 minus y1 is 2 all over, what's x2? x2 is 4 and x1 is 1. Let me complete it here. So it means gradient equals to 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So gradient equals to 2. So the answer is 2. I hope you understand this. Let's take another example. Calculate the gradient of the coordinate points A minus 1, minus 3 and B 3, 6. Now let's do this. Remember, the first thing you want to do is to label the coordinate points x1, y1. Then we have x2, y2. The next thing is to write the formula. So gradient equals to rise over run. So we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now gradient equals to, what is our y2? 6. y1 is what? Minus 3. So I have to put that in brackets. All over x2 is what? 3. Minus x1 is what? Minus 1. I have to put it in brackets too. So which means gradient equals to, minus times minus is plus. So I should have 6 plus 3 all over. Minus times minus is plus. So I have 3 plus 1. Let's complete it here. So we have gradient equals 6 plus 3 is what? 9 all over 3 plus 1 is 4. So this cannot cancel one another. So we can say gradient equals to 9 over 4. I hope you understand this.